but we carry that flag across the globe because we don't want to be from those who don't learn from the mistakes of others, from the shortcomings and the downfall and the destruction of others. When you see someone making an accident with a vehicle at a certain juncture, every time you come to that part of the road, you must alert yourself. You must be careful. You know, this is where I saw someone making an accident, so therefore I need to be extra vigilant. The same applies to us. We witness people across the globe doing things that have resulted in absolute destruction in some countries. We need to stay away from that. We need to learn from that. And if we don't talk about it, we won't be able to educate our people. And I firmly believe that if we have amongst us elements that promote intolerance, we need to weed them out, and we need to make sure that that will not be promoted in any way, because true religion belongs to the Almighty. And that Almighty has never taught us to resolve our matters through violence and hatred. So this is the message I have for this beautiful nation, as well as for all the nations across the globe. And inshallah, we will repeat it and reiterate it as the programs continue in this beautiful day for the